Woohoo! Okay, so a few days ago I noticed my Game Boy, my old Game Boy Advance SP, this old piece of junk made in 2002. Yeah, these things are old. It just doesn't hold a charge as good anymore. So I thought, I want to get a new battery for it. Maybe that'll fix it. Now, this is basically also a reminder to anyone who, hey, you should probably go change out the battery in it. That might be why it's not working anymore. These batteries are cheap, too. This is like $10. It's like, yeah, go get yourself a new battery. Go play your old Game Boy games again, you know? Tiny screwdriver. Ah, it's so tiny. But, yeah. And it just doesn't want to turn. Shit. Yeah. Woo. Okay. It's an old battery. Okay, so which side goes where? That side goes there. And now we pop it in and we let it charge for a little bit. Okay, moment of truth.